What's going on today, guys? Today we're just going to be doing a cold air intake on the Ecoboost Mustang. Got my boy Ethan here. So we're just doing a K&N cold air intake. We already got the Turbo Smart blow-off valve, but we just want a little something extra to do it. So let's put this on and see what happens. Just wanted to show y'all what we got going here. So we got obviously the stock intake, but we're putting this K&N cold air intake on. Just wanted to show you what we got going here.